everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 721 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush that I got in my January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag, which if you haven't seen my unbagging of that yet, I will have that video linked down below. It's a two-in-one type of video unboxing with my Glam Bag Ultimate and my regular Glam Bag. But so this is kind of like a redo of the Ciate blush that I tried out, because I tried out the one that I got in my BoxyCharm box and I was not very impressed by it. It just didn't have good pigment. And then there was that scandal going around that it was a like Chinese manufactured product. So I'm really interested to see if this Ciate blush will be better, because I had actually kind of thought that I wasn't going to like Ciate London blushes after my experience with the last one, but it's kind of cool that I'm getting to try out another one. So I got this in the shade Pinch Me. It says, Pinch Me is a shimmery pink coral shade that instantly wakes up your complexion and lasts up to 12 hours. Which sounds really nice because blushes just don't seem to last very long on my skin. And it says, plus the silky powder blends seamlessly into skin, no streaks or cakiness. And it also says you can use it as an eyeshadow. So that's cute. All right, and then this is a deluxe sample size. Still cute packaging though. You know I love the baby pink color. But the full size version retails for $26. It looks like candy. It's so cute. Okay, so I am going to start out by swatching. So it looks like it's got pink and gold in it. Ooh, and it does have some pretty reflection, but I don't know, like you can barely see it on my hand, and my hand is not even dark, and I swatched it with my finger, which is going to give the most pigment. So the brush that I'm trying it out with is this adorable brush from Farrah. It's the 160 face brush that I actually got in my January 2020 Glam Bag Ultimate box, which you would see in that same unboxing video. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna pick up some product and I'm going to see if we can get some blush going on. All right, you can see I'm not going in with a light hand. And this is not a very like soft, loose brush either. Like this is going to really apply the product, and I'm applying so much and it's barely showing up. Okay, this is like the same experience as the last Ciate blush, which I will link that video down below if you're curious what I'm talking about. But that is subtle, and I applied a lot. I do kind of see that glow. I can see some shimmer on the skin. So it's almost like this doesn't really give like blush, but it does kind of leave a little bit of glow to the skin, which I like the amount of glow. I just wish it had some more blush pigment. But I actually like this brush, so that's good. Yeah. And if that is barely showing up on my skin tone, which is pretty much as fair as I can get, then I don't know how this blush could work on any deeper skin tones. Such a bummer. Like even, let me see if I were to apply it to my eye, like it says, and use it as an eyeshadow. Like I don't even think this is pigmented enough for an eyeshadow. Yeah, it looks like there's barely anything at all on my eyelid. It's like a little tint of pink on the eyelid, where it's like not even enough, because I get a little bit nervous wearing pink eyeshadows because I don't want it to look like I have like a rash or something on my skin, and that's actually kind of what this does, because it's just like a slight amount of almost redness to my eye that it doesn't look like eyeshadow. It looks just like I was rubbing at my eye or something. You know, I was excited to give this blush, the CIATÉ London brand, another chance, and it's just not it. Luckily, I've gotten a lot of blushes from Ipsy recently that have been really great. So it's almost like I could layer this blush on top of other ones to add that bit of glow, because you can see like the healthy radiance on my cheeks now from that bit of sheen. So I like that, but it's just not enough pigment or color. So I think that's the best use for this, is a blush topper to add a little bit of glow to the blush. But using this as a blush topper is just kind of an extra step that's unnecessary when I would rather my blush already have the pigment and the shimmer in it if I was using a shimmery blush anyways, if that's what I wanted. So when I did the last CIATÉ London blush review, I mentioned the AOA Studio blush that is only $1 and actually has great pigment and great shine to it. So that is still the shimmery blush that I would recommend if that's the effect that you wanted. So I will have that blush video linked in the description down below if you want to see the blush that I'm talking about. As cute as this is, I'm not a big fan of it. If you've tried out this blush, I would love to hear in the comments down below if it worked out for you, how the pigment was. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.